Hello there, this is just a quick video with an update on my panniers because there's a few people watched my original video about fitting the panniers, and it's a couple of seasons ago now, and they're asking me how they're holding up, and the answer is they are holding up very well. As you can see here, they have done, let's say, a couple of seasons. I'm just about to set off for several weeks on the continent now with them. They've seen quite a lot of bad weather. You maybe see they're a bit dirty there, but yeah, I'm very happy with the way they're holding up. They're still waterproof. The canvas, they're still 100% waterproof, never leaked, but I don't trust panniers, so I do have waterproof liners inside them just in case. I suspect with them being canvas at some point they are going to start leaking, but I've ridden through some pretty heavy rain. The other thing is, are they sagging? Do they sag? Well, you can see here, just look in there, there's a slight bit of sag, but to be honest, I've got them fairly heavily loaded. There's a lot of gear in there. I've got that side, I've got all my tools in there. I always carry quite a few tools just in case of mishaps. Then I've got all my kitchen stuff, what have you, in that side, so they are quite weighed down. But yeah, I'm very happy with them so far. When I bought them, it was a case of style over function. It would have been more practical, I think, to go for like the kind of plasticky ones, or even the metal ones that go on the same frame. And I've always got the option of getting those later because they all just fit on the same frame. But I just thought I like the look of these, and yeah, they're quite nice. You can see I'm pretty heavily loaded. I'm basically on the road for a couple of months here, so I've got absolutely everything I need with me. Anyway, so that's just a quick update for those people who are interested on how I'm getting on with those panniers.